Good honking morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world, my Poke family. Many thanks to Wayne, PFB. You absolutely rock. Thank you so much, all of you, each and every one of you who subscribed, so I can get over 50, so I can go live. I've woken up late. I'm gonna go and show up late, but nonetheless, we're gonna be making it. As for now, let's take a look-see. As I just said, I hope you like Diamond and Pearl because I've got 65 of these waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully next few of these will be opened up at CP3. And that's just not even half of it. I've got box here. let's see if I can do the one-hand box job. There's just so much, okay? So I'm sorry for the terrible lighting, guys. As we know, everybody's first stream's going to be absolute chaos. Much love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's just too many. Too many cards. I don't even know what to take with me at the moment. But I will be taking something. Hello. Lovely first edition right there, and I believe the other one was as well. You know that they said that everyone's first stream's going to be a chaos, and that is what this is going to be. And that is not even the end of it, my friends. Oh yes, we know where that's going to. Much love, TK. Much love indeed. One of my favourite sets of all time. Who agrees? Another lovely first edition. Oh, and these Players Prize Packs. I absolutely adore them. That's not even the end of it. That's still not the end of it. I have so many booster boxes coming for you all. Another Players Prize Pack. Love it. Okay, what else we got for you? Code card. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Code card. Code card. So much love to you all from Blighty. I'm about to get on the jacket as well. This I absolutely love too. Come on, babe. Thank you all so much for subbing up to me. As I said, I'm sorry about the terrible quality. As we know, everybody's first stream is a chaos, so let's bring it on. Much love to every single one of you. I look forward to catching up soon. Much love. Your radiant honking goose. Mwah.